Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about the resistance. First of all, we have to consider this circuit. In case that we short circuit here, I try to make a line connect these two nodes all together. We can see that the resistance 3 ohm and 6 ohm are parallel, right? I can write down the circuits like this. This is the 12 ohm, right? And then this is the 6 ohm, and then we can look in this picture. The 3 ohm is parallel here, right? So how to calculate the 6 parallel to 3 ohm? We can find the resistance R total RT equal to 6 multiply by 3 and then 6 plus 3. So this is mean 18, right? I will delete this, move this one, okay, to this area, and then I want to change the color to red. Okay, we can calculate from this equation. 3 and 6 become 18, and this is 9, so it means 2 ohm. That means this resistance gonna be 2 ohm. So I will rewrite this circuit to be like this. This is 2 ohm. This is 12 ohm. So the total, that means you gonna add 12 and 2 to become. So the resistance of this circuit, total of this circuit, let's say total 2, that means overall, or maybe I will rewrite this to overall. Okay, overall will become 14 ohm. 14 is came from 12 plus 2 ohm from the circuit. So the total resistance when I short circuit at this node gonna be equal to 14 ohm, right? In this picture you can see here. This is the easiest way. So to conclude that, in parallel circuit, I will conclude again. If you have the resistance of R1 and the resistance of R2 connect to this node, okay, maybe V1, you can find the total resistance RT is equal to R1 multiplied by R2 and then R1 plus R2. These are formula. This is the formula that used to calculate the parallel resistance. Okay, so for example, if I have 12 ohm and 6 ohm and 3 ohm all together to here, this is a 6 ohm, this is a 3 ohm. So I want to find the total resistance in this circuit. It's gonna be 12 plus 6 parallel to 3, okay, is equal to 12 plus you can multiply these two numbers to become 18, and then this is the multiplication, right? This is the addition, so it's gonna be 9, and 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 ohm. This is the total resistance of this circuit. So I will rewrite the circuit again to become 14 ohm, and back to the voltage source. This is maybe the plus sign, and this is the minus sign. You can see, and then we can calculate the current flow in from the positive to the negative here. In case that this is the 12 volt, so we can find the current I1 equal to V1 divided by R total. It's gonna be 12 divided by 14. This is 7, this is 6. So that means I1 is equal to 6 divided by 7. So if you want to know the number, you can calculate from this fraction, and then you can know the unit is ampere. Okay, these are the method how to calculate the resistance of the parallel circuit. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me via the email suthonacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.